JDCap26 here, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies. And how you guys and girls doing out there? I hope you're doing well. And we've got a fielder knife that came in today by SOG, and I put it in ready pack already. And here it is right here. It's a nice pocket knife. It's got real wood, and it's a liner lock. Opens up nicely. Nice blade to it. Shape of the blade. I don't know what kind of steel it is. Just says the name. I can't see the name of the steel. It's got a clip on the back for your pocket. Very strong clip. And it's only one side you can put it on. See how sharp it is. No, it's not a very good test, is it? Let's try it not doubled. Not bad. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's pretty sharp. SOG does a good job honing their blades when they put out a product. So that's what I wanted to show you today. And for 24 bucks, hey, it's a nice pocket knife, really. I consider that a very nice pocket knife for 24 bucks. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And be observant. And take care. We'll see you next time.